I just got through painting this garage yesterday, and I'm going to paint the walk-in door. I installed this door over here too, and part of the job is painting the door off the hinges and got it laid on the sawhorses. I just run over it with a rag and took a compressor and blew it off real good, and I'm going to paint it, and that way you get a whole lot less runs. You can get a lot of paint on there, and if it's laying flat, that paint won't run, you know, out of the little, you got all the little squares on that door. If it's laying flat, it'll sit in there a lot better, and you get a lot nicer job. Falling on it. I've got the hinges all taped up, and I'm fixing to blow it off one last time. I've already wiped it down. The doorknob's taped off. Feel and go over the whole thing, blow. Make sure it's really clean. Whole deal. Wipe it down with a rag and then blow it all off. Alright, so I got a 4-inch foam roller. Got a 5-gallon bucket with a strainer. And this foam roller is going to be able to get into all these little crevices and everything. So I'm going to start up in the top left-hand corner and do all the little grooves and around the outside edge. Then I'll start doing the fronts. And once you get your paint laid on there, you want to just real lightly, just let the roller go over it, and it'll create some little air bubbles, but these air bubbles will all pop, and it'll look like you sprayed this door. It's very smooth. Just look in all directions. Like that. Get you some more paint. Get plenty of paint on here. That's why we took the door off and laid it down flat, so we could get plenty of paint on here without worrying about it running. So just force it up in all those cracks all the way around, and then spread it over and join that other side right there. The main thing is you got to go pretty fast on this, because if it starts drying, it'll start pulling it off. So just do one little area, move to the next little area, and roll your wet paint back into that wet edge. So just make sure it's all covered, and then very lightly go across it, and it'll create some little air bubbles. Don't worry about those air bubbles, because they'll all pop. All you're mainly doing is looking for anything that's a puddle of paint. You want to make sure you don't leave any puddles of paint anywhere. And you can see, no longer than we've been doing this, I've already got 2 of them done, okay? Well, that's it. I went all the way around. One coat. It's all covered real good. After I got completely done, I went back over it one time with just a real light hand, and it pops all of those air bubbles. That's as close to a sprayed door as you'll ever get without spraying it. And if you only got one door to do, it's not really worth getting out your spray rig to spray it. So if you enjoy these videos, hit that subscribe button, and once you subscribe, then whenever I do a new video, they'll come to your email box automatically, and you can learn something. I hope this video was helpful for you, and if you don't want to do it yourself, make sure to give me a call. The Burleson Handyman, Mike Culpepper, 817-229-1853. I look forward to working for you.